thanks for joining me. As promised in my last video when we made our breakfast patties, we're going to be making my version of a paleo compliant, Whole30 compliant breakfast sandwich, and it's delicious. You're not going to miss buns again, and for those who haven't worked with white sweet potatoes, you're in for a real treat, and they make a great bun. And you've already, if you've watched my previous videos, you've made your breakfast patties. You've made your zucchini cheese, which I've sliced one ready to just slap on when we've got everything else ready. So let's get on with it. Just 3 of the 4 components to make this breakfast sandwich. And once the bun's ready, it's ready to eat. So this time around my yolk broke, but it really doesn't matter. The only difference being that obviously if your yolk hasn't broken yet, then it's going to cascade out the sides. It's probably less messy this way. Either way, it's going to be delicious because it's the flavors that count, and all these flavors put together are amazing. These buns, the 2 sides of the sweet potato that are going to be used for the bun, are now soft enough to stick a fork in. So at this point, either spritz them with some coconut oil on both sides, or you can just brush them with a little olive or avocado oil. Do the same job, and a little salt and pepper, and then under the broiler until they are nice and browned. So let's get that done now. Anyway, we've got very little time left until the buns are ready, so I'm just going to tell you really quickly that for warming it up as a sandwich all put together, you can either pop it in the microwave, you can put it under the grill for the last few seconds, maybe the last half a minute that the bun needs doing, or you could do it as I usually do it. You can pop it in a pan and just turn it over. Okay, putting everything together now. First, one bun. The next thing to go in would be your sausage patty, followed by the egg. And finally your slice of zucchini cheese on the top, and the top of your bun. Okay, and now we're just going to heat that up so that everything, the cheese melts into the patty and the egg. So here it is, all put together. So there's your breakfast sandwich, and it's just heating up so that your zucchini cheese melts, and then it's ready to eat. Well, that's it. Simple. 4 components to put together a fabulous, quick, easy, paleo compliant, Whole30 compliant breakfast sandwich, and you're going to love it. It's absolutely delicious. Hope you do. Please give me your comments, and if you like what you've seen today, please do give me a like. Don't forget to watch that video that I've previously done on making zucchini cheese, and also the one for making the breakfast patties, and have those ready to hand so that breakfast really is a quick, maybe 10-minute job at best. All right, enjoy, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.
If you like this video, click like. If you really like it, click subscribe.